Mat boards with multiple openings are a great way to display multiple pieces in one framing treatment. With our system, they are also easy to order. When you're ready to order, first go to the Design Your Package page and enter your overall frame dimensions. Click the Next button and choose your mat board color. You can select your color using our Mat Color Selector or enter in the exact mat code. Don't worry about your border sizes because you'll be sending us a diagram that is labeled with border measurements. Review your package to make sure everything is correct. Proceed to the secure checkout where you can fill in all of your information. At the bottom of the page, be sure to leave an order instruction telling us that you'll be sending a diagram to procut@americanframe.com. Once we receive the diagram and double check the measurements, we send it to our mat department to be cut. Our operator will review the diagram and reference it while entering the dimensions into the computer system. The mat board is securely locked in place before the machine cuts. Our gunner mat machine cuts precisely and with ease. Once the mat board is fully cut, the leftover pieces are recycled or reused for smaller mats. The finished result is a clean-cut mat ready to showcase your artwork.